A quick one too on how to use an eBay coupon. So the main price there, $379.99, and we want to use this code to get to $304.99. So there's the coupon code, full20. Copy that, add to basket. Buy it now doesn't work, you need to add to basket, and then go to your basket. Still saying 379. Go to checkout, and then scroll to the bottom, and then there's the add voucher box. We paste our voucher into there, apply. Well, the price is still $379. Apply, and it updates there on the right hand side, £304. Now all I need to do is select my payment method, PayPal, and then there we go, we can pay and we get it at a discounted rate.